Hello everybody, welcome back to Tableside of Fire Bride. I am Lauren, and in today's video we will be making the powdered sugared cranberries that everyone else is doing, and they look really good, they look fun, and I think this would be just a good, fun, easy video to get me back into this. It's been like, I don't know, 7-8 months, like since the summer, since I last made a video. Life has been lifing, but anyway, these take like a whole day and some change, 24 hours plus some change to do. So, all right, let's go ahead and just get on with this. So we need to get our bag of cranberries. I have a 12-ounce bag of cranberries, and we need to wash these. So I'm gonna take my strainer and so we moved, so counter space is kind of like limited. So normally I would show you guys me washing my cranberries, but again, small countertop, so I'll just come back after I wash my cranberries. So I washed my cranberries. Now I am going to go through and pick out all the ones that look like smushed and soft and ugly. So I just moved my cranberries into a mixing bowl. We're now gonna add our orange juice and our Sprite, and it is equal parts each. So 1 cup of orange juice, 1 cup of Sprite. I don't know if it's really necessary, but I'm just gonna mix them around a little bit. Now we're gonna put a lid on this, put these in the fridge, and we'll come back tomorrow, so in about 24 hours.
The next day.
It's the next day! So I have my oven preheated to 200 degrees. I have my cranberries, just kind of sloshing around. So we are going to go ahead and strain our cranberries. Then we are going to put them in a Ziploc baggie. This is a gallon size baggie. Or you can just put them back into the container. The instructions did say that once we strain them from the liquid, to not dry them off and pretty much just immediately put them back into your, I'm making a mess. Oh well. Anyway, so whenever you're done straining them, you put them back into your chosen vessel to do the powdered sugar step. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these strained. So I have my cranberries. I had a couple casualties, but that's okay. Oop. So we're going to add a cup of powdered sugar into our baggie, and just set that up and just shake them. Shake them to they're really covered. They look really pretty, actually. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, there's one in the corner. Get out of there. All right. So let me. Oh boy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and dump these on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, but I'll show you guys that here in just a second. We're going to pour our cranberries onto the parchment and spread them around to make sure that they're not touching one another. I think that this is as good as it's gonna get. So we're gonna put these in the oven for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then when these come out, we'll go on to the next step. All right, we got them out of the oven. I'm gonna wait about 10 to 15 minutes for the tray to cool down before we put this into the fridge. And then we're supposed to put these in the fridge for a couple of hours. So we'll be back when these are ready to eat.
Later.
So it has probably been about 45 minutes, maybe a little bit closer to an hour, but I was getting impatient and really excited. But they seem ready, so I'm excited. I'm ready to try them. Okay, but here's my cute little bowl of candied cranberries. So, okay, let's go try. Okay. That's odd. Like whenever you bite into it, it kind of like releases like that fizzy feeling like from the soda. But they're like really good. Like I can't describe it, but like if you were to eat just like a regular cranberry without, you know, doing any of this, it's like the most tartest, whatever feeling and flavor where it's kind of like, I find it like unbearable. But like this, y'all, these are really good. Oh my goodness. I love these. Oh my gosh. So, like, it's so weird because I don't know how it did it, but like the cranberries, I'm like still like really on about like how fizzy they are. But whatever magic happened that these like absorbed the fizz from the Sprite, these are so good. These are so stinking good. But my husband will be home in like 40-ish minutes, and if he's up for it, I'll have him try these. Like if I don't eat them all. Ooh, that crunch. Anyway, my gosh. So I might be back.
Eventually.
We are back. My husband is home. And so, darling, do you know what we're gonna do?
We're gonna eat those cranberries.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Have you ever had these? Has anyone in your family ever made these?
Not from what I can remember.
Oh, okay. So, are you ready to try this and to possibly be amazed?
Yes.
Try one.
Alrighty.
Okay, ready? Clinkies.
Very nice.
Aren't they good?
Yes, they are. And they're not overly sweet or tart or anything like that.
I know, because like normal cranberries, like they punch you in the face with how like really tart they are. But these are like really sweet. Well, not like really, really sweet. But these are so enjoyable. And they're so pretty. What? Is there anything else you would like to say?
No, I think I'm good.
Okay. So thank you guys so much for coming back and hanging out with us as we made these really delicious cranberries, and you guys should make them too. They're amazing. If you guys want to support the channel, my Buy Me a Coffee and Venmo information will be in the description. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe. I have noticed that my subscribers have went up quite a bit when I wasn't even doing anything, so that was pretty phenomenal. So thank you. Let's boost it up more. But you guys are awesome. I appreciate your guys' support. And until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.
It's her bar. Is that what it is?
Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Table Salad. Oh, it's been so long. Your container, once you strain them, the instructions did say to make sure not to dry them off or And in today's video, we will be making the powdered sugared cranberries. It's upside down. Cranberries. Here, take a bite and then just like let it do its thing. And just pay attention. Well, what did the cranberry tell you?